The box is missing here. Missing here. So what?
I'm gonna ask.
TRC extension form. Paper. So we'll get this TRC extension form. So we have to fill this. Basically, what you do is, first from your university you have to get your snowbar certificate, right? After that, you have to go to bank to get bank statement. We are doing 5 years TRC process, so it's like we did $10,000 bank statement, and after that you have to go to Liberty Square Public Service Hall. After going there, after going to public service halls, you have to take photo. They'll give you 3 chance, 3 lives. Yeah, I took the worst photo ever, so leave that thing. So yeah, I'm so freaking tired, but still.
Flashback.
I'm explaining you guys about this. The photo, it cost around 5 jal, and after that TRC extension form, after filling that form you have to give all these 3 forms to that person, and they will and also you have to tick one column which has whether you want in 30 days or 20 days or 10 days. So we selected 30 days. After that, you have to give all these 3 forms, the snowbar, and next thing is bank statement, and also the extension form together. So after that, passport and TRC, which is very important, you have to bring that also. And what photo?
Photo paper.
The photo paper. When you are taking photo in public service hall, they'll give you a receipt, receipt. You have to give that also. Yeah,
Barcode, I am
yeah, barcode. So you have to give that also. So finally they'll give you after 30 days you have to come here again to give legal address. That also I'll include in
only if it's approved.
Only if it is approved. You have to, only if it is approved you have to go there again, and after 30 days. Yeah, so they have given a website over there, so you have to check whether it's approved or not. Oh my god, I'm so tired. Shit.
Program.
Yeah. The mirror is beautifully cleansed properly now. It's perfect. So I have to clean this mess, and then it's done. So most problematic thing is whenever we call a Georgian plumber or Georgian workers, some workers are good, but some are really not good. They are getting money, but the thing is they are not doing the work properly. So there is no other way. I have spanner, the screw is already there, so I'm gonna fix it. That's it. I'm not gonna call any plumbers. Why? Because if I call also, they're not doing their work properly. So it's nothing, guys. Basically, I'm a wife material. Basically, I'm a wife material. Let me shoot. Wait. Actually, I have to give my 10,000% off. Wow, it's easy. Oh my god, wait, let me check. It's proper, like, oh, it's great, it's great, it's great. It's good. So basically, I did it. Oh. So next thing is I have to clean the mirror, like both the mirrors, like that one and also this one. Doing the like holding spanner and all, like holding the screwdrivers and all. It's so bad, you know. You should not. Freaking good it is. It is freaking good. You have to do it. It's shit. Who are saying girl should not touch that? Like fix bulbs. Do like take screwdrivers and fix your things. Do something or the other. You can do it. You can do it by yourself. Don't call plumber. Oh, plumber, like a plumber. It's like okay for water and all. Like for the small things, calling screws. Like it's undone. Please come and help us. No, and also this thing is done. Even bathtub and the mirror area is like clean now. Next thing is like today are like new wait, new room it is coming, so it should be a bit good, right? Like it's already good, but still I just want to make sure it's like good. When they're coming inside, it should give some good appearance. Actually, this is before it's like trash. I know it's completely not that good. I know, even like sometimes I'll be like, okay, I'll study later, or like I'll do some some work later. I have to clean. No, it'll trigger up your OCD, so don't do it. Okay? Actually, yes. What should I do now? I should clean the sink. Wait.